What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the MTG-B1000 Year of the Tiger. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the MTG-B1000 Year of the Tiger G-Shock collaboration art piece. This one is awesome, but it's also one that many may not stomach. It's just very gaudy, but I'll show you guys what I mean. It's a beautiful timepiece if you ask me. Some may not be able to pull it off. Others might have the stomach for it. I love it, nevertheless. Check it out. This on top of here, you have this gold monogram G-Shock. Well, not a monogram, just like a sticker of a tiger up there and gold print. It's very nice. They have the MTG logo on the side there, and on the bottom here you have the actual model number, which is the MTG-B1000CX-4. 5544 is the module inside of this watch, and this is a limited edition product. It was released in December of 2022. It retailed for approximately roughly between $1,100 to $1,000, $1,100, and it's a Chinese release. It is a Chinese New Year kind of edition kind of watch, so it was a Chinese release only. I managed to get a hold of one of them. Here's the trunk box itself, again with the tiger print on top there in gold, the G-Shock logo in gold print there. Very nice. I like the black and gold concept and colorway. Tiger once again on the inside of the box, right yonder. Yeah, the manual, warranty card, and other stuff in here. Nothing crazy. Again, the module on this one is a 5514? 5544 module. So if you have any MTG-B1000s, they're all the same. It's just the colorway and design are different. But here's the watch itself. Let me show you guys this beauty. It's the beauty of this watch. It comes in this nice black box with the red pinstripe right around the edges. I love this. I love overall design of this watch. It's pretty sweet. Very, very vibrant colorway. I love the red bands. There's an MTG-B1000 out there. I can't remember the exact model number. It also has the red bands. Very popular watch, and this is not anything short of beautiful. Beautiful, nevertheless. It's got the G-Shock gold buckle there, or band keeper. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. Right there. Beautiful red color. Now, this color is vibrant red. It might look dull on video, but I assure you guys, this color is vibrant. Very vibrant. There you go. That's a better color. There you go. I don't know. It keeps... Oh, there we go. And beautiful. Beautiful. Let me check out this plastic here so you can see the actual dial or the bezel of this watch. It's gorgeous. Look at this. Look at that. Oh yes, very nice. All right, so it's got the apparent visible tiger print right on the bezel there. So it's kind of like I want to say it's like a edged kind of design on there with the glass or the polished finish on the bottom to make it look like it's painted, but it's not painted. It's actually sketched or edged on the actual bezel. And you got the red print for the G-Shock print. Zoom in there a little bit so you guys can capture that really well. It's got the G-Shock logo there in red. The light button or the light print also in red. All right, you got the receiving G-Shock resist or shock resist mode G-Shock all in red. You have the actual design here. It also has a red kind of accent there. And I'll show you guys macro shots of this watch because you have to really see a close-up of this watch to really capture all the fine details of this design of this watch. And it's gorgeous. The design itself of the watch, you can see the tiger print inside of the bezel, inside the dial. And it's very It's vibrant, but it's also very difficult to see unless you kind of capture it with a kind of very close eye. Red also around there on the wheel there. Again, this is the MTG-B1000, so you have the very similar design with all the G-Shock MTG-B1000s, which is pretty neat. I would say the MTG logo is in gold and Casio in gold as well. It's got the hour, minute hand, and the second hand there. So you could change modes on the top, left window here by the 9 o'clock position. You can see the window there actually shows you the different modes, and it shows you the low and high on the actual battery indicator. So the battery indicator on the bottom left there. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, day of the week indication there. Stopwatch, timer, alarm, daylight savings time, I believe that is. Also some other functions there that are visible on that mode window. The top, you have the 24-hour window, and then you have a secondary world time window on the bottom by the 6 o'clock position. Then you have AM, PM indication on the bottom right there, small window. That's when you're setting the alarm. You also have a date window right there between the 4 and the 5 o'clock position. Right there in white. Very nice because it stands out behind the black color. All right. Each of the hour windows, you can see there have a red vibrant color. So it's very nice. There you go. And the macros will actually show you a better look at that because it's hard to, I'm kind of having a hard time showing you all the details with the lighting. It does have a beautiful glow. Maybe I could capture it here. There you go. Here you can see the glow on each of the hour markers, as well as the hour and the minute hand has that glow on the tip of the actual hands. Right there. And while I'm at it, let me show you guys the light on this puppy. You can see how it glows in and out, kind of fades in and out, which is beautiful. I always love the design of that light on the MTG-B1000. It is very, very bright. Dual or single LED, but it's very bright, I believe, right? Yeah, single LED illuminates right here from the bottom left side, but it's very bright and it shows you all the display. It lights up the analog hands really well. All right, so you can see all those designs there because the pattern of the tiger continues from the bezel and carries over to the side of the strap right there, all in metal. It's got a nice kind of a brushed metal design there, but then you have the subtle glossy mirror finish underneath this engraved tiger pattern. Okay, all the buttons are gold, including the bold button there. Same with the crown, which is beautifully sketched or edged there. Gives it a nice little grip. All right, on the back plate, you have, again, the tiger, year of the tiger design on the back there. Carries over from the design of the watch. 5544 module, MTG-B1000. It does have tough solar. It is solar powered, Bluetooth, multiband 6. It's got a sapphire crystal, which is beautiful because it's very scratch resistant compared to other models. Let me show you guys a good macro shot of this watch. You'll be blown away. Let's go. All right, guys, and there you have it, the MTG-B1000CX-4, the Chinese Tiger 2022 limited edition watch. Now, if you're interested in the watch, I am planning to sell it. Brand new, so it has all the wrappers on there, all the plastic on there. It's got the tag as well. Complete box set. Here is the tag. All right. There's the model number right there. If you want to inquire, my contact information is in the description of this video. Send me an email. I will send you the price, including shipping, depending on your location. MTG-B1000CX-4 5544 module. It's a beautiful piece. If you would like to add this to your collection, if you got the stomach to wear it, great. Nevertheless, I think it's a beautiful piece. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Chicago. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.